Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Culture Amp Employee Experience Review My Usage Experience. Culture Amp Employee Experience Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to gather and analyze employee feedback regarding their workplace experience. It aims to help companies understand employee satisfaction, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately boost overall morale and productivity. Key features likely include surveys, reporting dashboards, and potentially action planning tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Culture Amp positions itself as a comprehensive solution for employee experience management, emphasizing actionable insights and data-driven decision-making. While pricing isn't explicitly stated on their initial pages, they emphasize a focus on providing value. The platform's strength appears to lie in its robust analytics and reporting capabilities. Availability is presumably global, given its focus on a large-scale HR function. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Culture Amp Employee Experience Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the initial survey was straightforward. Their intuitive interface guided me through the process. Creating the questions was easy, though it took a bit of time to refine them to capture the nuanced feedback I was hoping for. Navigating the dashboard to view the results was a breeze. The clear visualizations made it easy to identify trends and key areas of concern. For example, the sentiment analysis feature effectively summarized employee responses, highlighting both positive and negative feedback. The platform's performance was excellent, results were processed and displayed quickly. I had a quick question about customizing the reporting features and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, particularly the ability to filter and segment the data based on various demographics and departments. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with the more advanced analytics features. It took me a little while to fully understand how to leverage the platform's full capabilities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Culture Amp. It's a powerful tool that provided valuable insights into employee sentiment and helped us identify areas where we could improve our workplace. That's my overview of Culture Amp Employee Experience Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.